on an aggravated battery.
Hi, and thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings. Do you happen to own a brand new Super Duty, possibly a limited King Ranch, maybe a Platinum or even an XLT that has the factory LED lighting package? Kind of like that. Are your reverse lights factory bright white LED? And you'd like to be able to flash them in that fashion? Well, we've got some news for you. Our new auto flasher by Wicked Warnings allows you to do just that. As you can see here, we are wig-wagging our factory white LED reverse lights. This auto flasher module is a wire-in module. You do have to do a slight bit of wiring behind the tail lights on each side. It's very simple, very easy. There's 4 connections to your factory harness, 1 on each side of each reverse light. Very quick and easy. This auto flasher does not interrupt your factory reverse lights. If you wire it that way, you can have it override the flashing for reverse or the flashing override reverse. Whichever way you choose, it'll work both ways. It also has the steady on feature in case you want to use those lights as trailer loading lights or anything like that. And as I said, this is the only flasher that allows you to wig-wag your OEM reverse lights in a left to right fashion. So if this is the look that you're after with your OEM reverse lights, you need to order the Wicked Warnings Auto Flasher Kit for 2017 and up Super Duty reverse lights. It'll come with the auto flasher. It'll come with an installation video showing you exactly how to install that auto flasher. And it'll come with all the wiring you need to get you up to the front of the truck to either hook up to your factory auxiliary switches or to an aftermarket switch if your truck doesn't have the auxiliary switches. Most of the trucks that have the LED lighting have the auxiliary switches, so we're including enough wire in this kit to go all the way up to underneath the hood and connect with them. And as I said, this will not interfere in any way with your OEM reverse lights working normally. And if you would prefer to have your OEM reverse lights override the strobe, we can do that, or you can have your strobe lights override reverse. Most of the installations we do, we have the reverse set as an override to the strobe, but we have done them both ways. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. Be sure to see our site and a description in the video to purchase this particular auto flasher kit, and there are many other options available, so check back to our site for all of the options for all the different vehicles that this auto flasher kit will fit. Thanks again. This is George at Wicked Warnings.